Alright, here I have the box. As you can hear that, there's only one card inside this, and this card is my prediction. And the card trick I'm using 12 cards. What I do is just break the deck once, break it again, break it again, break it again. All I'm going to do is spread through the cards anytime she or he will pick a card. So they want that card. They want to do, they can change your mind, but they obviously don't. The card is the 10 of spades. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to spread out just a little bit. Put the 10 of spades inside there. Then I'll give it a shuffle. Even now they can change their mind. Do you want to change your mind? No, we don't. Actually, no, we do not want to change our mind. We want to take 10 of spades. And, well, there we go. We'll just give it a few cuts and shuffles. We do one shuffle, so I was going to stop. So stop. Now we bring in the prediction. Open it up. There is indeed just one card inside there. You can see that. It is where is it? It's there. You can see it. Open it and it's the add card. What can you possibly do with a flipping add card? Sorry, just and I'm just what could you possibly do with an add card? With an add card? I don't know. Actually, we'll just get the add card and we'll just get to view and you will choose the 10 of spades. Thanks for watching. See you next time.